The Succulent Manual has helped thousands of succulent lovers become confident about understanding their plant's needs based on their growing location. This book is the next best thing to succulent health insurance and will help you keep your plants alive and multiplying. Chapter 1 begins with basics and includes recipes for a DIY fast-draining soil mix you can make and customize. Chapter 2 tells you everything you want to know about successfully propagating your succulents and troubleshooting failed attempts. Keep trying! Chapter 3, Succulent SOS, teaches the signs and symptoms of a sad succulent and actions to take to save your plants. Chapter 4 covers the different climates and regions people grow in and what to do to keep your succulents happy wherever you are. Chapter 5 explains how the author finds identifications of plants and the resources you can use to find the names of your succulents. Chapter 6 explores the different types of succulents, from euphorbias to lithops, and offers a care guide for several varieties of mesums, like split rocks, baby toes, and more. Chapter 7 will help you create an in-ground succulent garden and teach you how to protect it from the elements. Chapter 8 is all about tasks and projects, like creating arrangements, drilling drainage holes, preparing to leave town, and even holding a sale for your extra succulents. Chapter 9 is a thorough guide to buying plants based on their light needs, along with supplies you will want to keep your collection thriving. The Knowledge Bank includes visuals to help you identify your succulents and a glossary of terms to really increase your knowledge. The paperback version includes a plant journal where you can log the names of the plants in your collection and make other notes. Take 10% off the interactive ebook if you purchase it at sucsforyou.com/shop using code 10OFF. The Succulent Manual will pay for itself in plants it helps you save and propagate. Get your copy today and please leave a review.